Tracking quality in a high-tech manufacturing environment starts with a familiar piece of technology, a barcode scanner. Employees scan codes on each component as they assemble products on a smart conveyor. The closed system Technoline documents key steps in the process.
A nickname for that is the watchdog system. That is where we are scanning key components like the compressor, the motor, and the coil, other key components, and it takes that information on the component and matches it up against the bill of material.
Screens at each station display codes and indicate whether the product can move forward.
It's basically telling you that yes, you're putting the right component into the right unit, and it will not let you advance the unit unless it passes that station.
Error proofing continues as the product moves down the line. Before the unit is filled with refrigerant, it has to pass burst testing. Workers charge the unit with helium, pull a vacuum, and then use a sniffer wand on the braze joints. If the unit passes, the system generates a label, basically a passport, to move on to the next station. The last stop is the functional run test to check electrical connections and gas pressure. Once again, every unit must pass the run test before it's cleared to move on.
Just in case that didn't happen and that unit tried to get off the end of the line, since it didn't pass run test, you can't print any of the labeling, the carton labeling or the unit labeling for that product. You literally can't send it to the warehouse.
Smart conveyor systems with barcoding are common in the automotive industry. The Wichita plant adopted other automotive best practices, such as the smart torque wrench for critical fastening operations. And they use a coordinate measuring machine called the ferro arm. If a part, like a copper tube, isn't lining up correctly, the tool can quickly pinpoint the issue. The ferro arm can isolate coordinates up to 5 decimal points, which is aerospace technology precision.
With the software to make a solid model, download the IGES file, overlay it, and see, was the tube bender, did it bend what we want? If it's wrong, then we go back to the engineering and say, hey, you need to modify the bender, and they will adjust the program that bends these. It's all about quality. This is strictly for quality.
Using technology to error-proof the manufacturing process helps ensure that every product built in Wichita is made with the goal of world-class quality.